Okay, so now the fast part comes. I'm going to take my stick blender and submerge it into the oil and lye solution, and I'm going to hit the on button. So the goal here is to get what we call a trace. And trace is whenever we pick up the soap and you'll see traces of it as it falls on top of each other, indicating that it's gotten to a super thick level. Now this can take a few minutes, and because we're using 100% olive oil, like I mentioned, it's going to take a while before it thickens up, since it is oil that is liquid at room temperature. But the color is changing and it is getting thicker as we go. Okay, we're getting somewhere. It's gone from a very dark green to a lighter, more tan olivey color, and it's getting thicker. We're not quite at trace yet, so I'm going to continue blending on speed 1.